Okay, 5th grade. So we're going to learn about decimals today. So I have a group of decimals, and I want you with your partner to organize these in order from least to greatest.
Yeah. Four times. Yeah, there's 2 of those.
Okay, good job. So we're learning about values of decimals. So looking at this, we have, after the decimal, we have tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. What do you notice about the similarity between how these are worded?
They all end in THS.
Very good. So when we have a written form, we know that the THS is after the decimal. So then we know that before the decimal is ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. 10,000s, some more. So what we're going to do is I'm going to give you a standard form, and you have to write it out on your whiteboards with your partner. And then we're going to work on expanded form after that. So I'm going to give you a number. So we're going to do this in word form. So 12.38.
Do you want it in word form?
In word form. Very good. Very good. So what I like that you guys notice is that for the point, you guys did not say and, or did not say decimal or point, you said and instead. Because we know that after the decimal, when we say the THS, we know that it's a fraction rather than a whole. Okay, I'll give us another one. Very good. We got it again. So we're going to work on now is expanded form. So this is combining different values. So if we have plus 5 plus 2. So we have 40 plus 5 plus 0.2 plus 0.03. So these are breaking up the different values of a decimal. And there's a way you guys can combine them together. So let's try to see if we can combine all these together.
Are we writing it out?
No, we can do whatever way. So what I like what we did here was that Morgan lined it up so then it all equaled 45.23. And Madison wrote out what it was in word form. So both of these are correct. And this is the way to show it in expanded form because it is 45.23. We'll try one more. And then we'll work on addition. Okay. we'll do okay. Okay, so Morgan, what did we get?
We have 30 and 278,000.
Very good. Okay, so we're going to try to do pattern blocks. So we worked on these before, so we know that a dot would be the ones, this would be tens, and a block would be hundreds, right?
Yep.
So I'm going to give you guys a value of a decimal, and then we have to show with base 10 blocks what it would be. And for the hundreds part, we can just fill in. Okay? Okay, work with your partner and try to write out as a base 10 block.
1, 2, 3. Okay, so
So remember the dots are the ones, hundreds. And you can put an addition symbol in there, so it's easier to break them down. Oh. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Or don't push it down a little bit. Got it? You just add. Okay, so what we had to do is we did 29, so we had the two tens and then 9. And then we added, so we have to break down the decimal place. So this is 2 over, if we had it as a fraction, would be 2 over what? 10. So we had 2 tens. And then this is 3 over 100. So then we would have our hundreds block. We'd have 3 of these. So let's try one more. Okay. $34.21. Awesome. Really improved on that one. So now we're going to do some addition problems. And what is the most important thing when adding decimals, Delaney?
That you keep the decimal in the same spot.
So you have to line it up. So this is our addition problem. Good job. Okay, so what is our answer?
30 and 41 hundredths.
Yep, very good. Okay, so I have some worksheets for us to do. Now this is reviewing what we did for standard form, word form, and expanded form. And there's a little matching at the bottom as well. Here, here's these. I think we're, what? We're good, okay.